Going virtual opens up a whole world of opportunities. I mean, thousands of attendees one click away, yes please. But go too big and broad and your content might get too generic or worse, irrelevant. To figure out the right event size, go back to your goals, target audience, and KPIs. They'll clue you in on the right strategy and perfect size for your event. How so? Well, let's say you're hosting the event to make general announcements or touch on your entire line of products and services. In that case, go big. Even go as big as global. Are you addressing super specific issues or trying to win over a particular audience? Keep them and only them in mind. If it's the locality that defines them, for example, make your event regional. People miss in-person experiences, sure, but that can't be your only reason to go hybrid. Virtual and hybrid are both excellent options. To decide between them, think long and hard about the physical experience attendees will get and whether it'll be worth their time and effort. Don't forget, the hybrid option means added work for you too.